My name's Richard. I'm a wine grape grower and I live here at Willunga in South Australia. We have an 11-acre property under vine. First STIHL tool for me is a chainsaw. I'd had a bad experience with another manufacturer's chainsaw. Decided to buy a STIHL product because I know they're a quality product. It's rugged and reliable and wouldn't let me down. Our iMOW is the RMI 632P. We decided to buy that model because we've got a much larger lawn than a normal residential block. We were investing in a new lawn, and then one day when I was at my local STIHL dealer, I seen a display of an iMOW, and straight away that said to me I need to have a good look at this product. It could cut my lawn for me and free up time for me to do other things, whether that be tasks around the vineyard or increase my leisure time. Once we'd decided to buy the iMOW, we were then visited by the STIHL people from Willunga Mowers and Cycles that came out and did a site inspection. Following on from that, the installation of the perimeter wiring was carried out. Programming of the iMOW is very flexible, so we've got it set up so that it doesn't run over the weekend. So when we've got visitors here with kids, they can run around, play on the lawn without the iMOW getting in the way. When I'd done my research on the iMOW, I was pretty confident that we wouldn't have any safety issues with it because of the features that it has. Nobody can pick it up without the machine shutting itself down. And if it runs into a solid object, it'll reverse and go another way. Our lawn is very healthy, as you can see. Because it cuts the lawn very, very finely, the clippings from it are dispersed into the lawn, which is a good thing for the health of the lawn. Yeah, the iMOW to me is a worthwhile investment when you consider that a good quality ride-on mower is probably 3 times the price of an iMOW. And also I haven't had to take my iMOW into a STIHL dealership for servicing. The guys come to service it here at our place. I'd recommend the iMOW product to anybody who's looking to manage their lawn effectively, and if they're people that find themselves time poor and would like a few more hours of their leisure time to spend with family and friends rather than mowing their lawn.